The 2026 Nissan Armada represents a significant step forward in the evolution of Nissan's full-size SUV segment. The most notable upgrade is the transition from a traditional V8 powertrain to a more efficient twin-turbocharged 3.5-litre V6 engine, which generates an impressive 425 horsepower and 516 pound-feet of torque. This powertrain not only increases efficiency, but also enhances towing capabilities, maintaining an 8,500-pound capacity. The refined 9-speed automatic transmission contributes to a smoother power delivery, ensuring a more composed driving experience. These improvements indicate Nissan's commitment to balancing performance with modern efficiency standards. In addition to its mechanical enhancements, the 2026 Armada introduces a more sophisticated and luxurious cabin design. The interior accommodates up to 8 passengers, with premium trims featuring high-quality materials such as quilted leather upholstery and open-pore wood accents. Advanced technology plays a central role in the redesign, with the integration of dual 12.3-inch digital displays, a user-friendly infotainment interface, and enhanced connectivity options, including wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Furthermore, higher trims benefit from an optional 14.3-inch touchscreen, a premium sound system, and a suite of driver assistance features that improve both safety and convenience. On the road, the 2026 Armada exhibits significant improvements in ride quality and handling dynamics. The newly introduced adaptive electronic air suspension ensures a comfortable and composed driving experience, particularly in higher trims. Additionally, the Pro 4X variant expands the Armada's off-road capabilities, featuring all-terrain tires, a locking rear differential, and reinforced skid plates. These refinements allow the Armada to cater to a broad spectrum of consumers, from urban commuters to adventure-seeking drivers.